Myself Dipali Bagurde. Our today's topic is errors in numerical calculation. So let us see what are the errors in calculations. So error is equal to true value and approximate value. Now what is true value? True value is the actual value. True value is the actual value and the approximate value is the value that is similar to the other value but not exactly equal to it. Now the example of true value is suppose 1, 2, 3 by 2, it is 1.5. So these are the true values, and the approximate values are the values that are similar to the other value but not exactly equal to it. For example, pi is equal to 3.14. Now this is the rounded off value of 3.14, that is pi, but it is not exact value, it is the approximate value. We have rounded it off to 3.14. So so let us see this approximate value and this is the actual value. So while going to buy groceries, suppose we want to pick 150 gram of vegetables. So we pick some vegetable and our assumption is that it is exactly 150 gram. But while measuring, suppose it gives us 163 gram. So this is our this is the approximate value, that is our assumption is 150 gram and this is the approximate value and this is the measured value, that is the actual value. So this is the difference between approximate value and actual values. So now let us see the types of errors. While calculating some examples or some values, we get some errors. So what are the errors? First one is absolute error. Now what is the absolute error? It is the difference between true value and approximate value. It is the difference between true value and approximate value. So it is suppose the true value is x and the approximate value is x dash. So the absolute error is true value, it is mod of true value minus approximate value, that is x minus x dash. Now consider this example. If approximate value of 6.51 is 6, then find absolute error. So here we have given the actual value is 6.51 and its approximate value is 6. So here the actual value is 6.51, that is x is equal to 6.51 and x dash is equal to 6. So by formula we can calculate the absolute error. So absolute error is denoted by EA and it is equal to mod of x minus x dash. So this is equal to mod of 6.51 minus 6. So this gives us the error, that is 0.51. Mod of 0.51, that is equal to 0.51. Since the error is not a negative quantity, so it is taken in a mod, so it gives us 0.51. So here the absolute error is 0.51. Now the next is relative error. It is denoted by ER. Now what is relative error? It is the ratio of absolute error and true value. It is the ratio of absolute error and true value. Now the absolute error is calculated by the formula mod of x minus x dash, where x is the exact value and x dash is the approximate value. And so ER is calculated by this formula mod of x minus x dash upon x. So it is EA upon x. So let us consider one example. If the number 4.3 is represented approximately as 1.3333, then find the relative error. Now our exact value, that is true value, is x is equal to 4 by 3 and the approximate value, that is x dash. So ER is equal to mod of x minus x dash upon x. So 4 by 3 minus 1.3333 divided by 4 by 3. So this is equal to, now multiplying by 3, so we get 4 minus 3.9999 divided by 3 and whole divided by 4 by 3. So this gives us 4 minus 3.9999, that is 0.0001 divided by 3 upon 4 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 get cancelled. So we get 0.0001 divided by 3. So this is the relative error. So remember the formula of relative error. So it is the ratio of absolute error and true value. Now the next is percentage error. Now what is percentage error? It is denoted by EP and it is 100 times the relative error. It is 100 times the relative error. So EP is equal to mod of x minus x dash upon x into 100. It is 100 times the relative error. So let us see one example. Round of 0.179250 correct to four significant figures and then find out the absolute, relative and percentage error. Now first we will round up the number to 4 significant figures, that means up to 2. Now as 0.179 0.17950, round up to 4 significant figures. So after 2 the number is 5, exactly 5. So the previous digit is 2, which is even, so there will be no change in 2. So the number will be rounded up to 4 significant figures as 0.1792. Now we have to find the absolute error, relative error and percentage error. So first find out the absolute error. So the absolute error EA is mod of x minus x dash. So this is equal to, what is x is? X is the actual value or the true value, that is 0.179250 minus the rounded off figure or the approximate value, it is 0.1792 and this gives us 0.00005. So this is the absolute error. Now the next is relative error. So relative error can be calculated by this formula. ER is equal to mod of x minus x dash upon x, that is the ratio of absolute error to true value, and putting the values we get, now x minus x dash is 0.00005 divided by 0.1799250 and this is equal to 0.000288. 0.1898. So this is the relative error. Now we have to calculate the percentage error, and it is nothing but 100 times the relative error. So EP is equal to ER into 100. So this is equal to 0.0002898 into 100, and this is equal to 0.02898. So this is the percentage error. So these are some types of errors, that is approximate error, absolute error, relative error and percentage error. So the absolute error can be calculated by the difference between true value and approximate value, and since it is not a negative quantity, so it is taken in mod. So absolute error is true value minus approximate value. Then the relative error is the ratio of absolute error and true value, and it is denoted by ER, that is equal to mod of x minus x dash upon x, that is EA upon x. And the percentage error is calculated by 100 times the relative error. So this video will be helpful for you to find the errors in numerical calculations or to calculate the errors in numerical calculations. Thank you.